Hello, everyone. This is just a little follow up to the podcast, just to let you know that the routine that I set up actually did happen the next morning. However, it happened at 4 a.m. and woke me up. So I'm not sure what I did wrong, but this is just to say that the Lady A app on your smart device is, I don't think, very intuitive, nor do I think it's very accessible. So it seems that a lot of times when I go in the app to do things, they have changed it, as they do many, many apps that we use. And right now, I don't think it's very accessible. So just wanted to let you know that the routine did happen, but it was not at an opportune time in the morning. So I, needless to say, went in and deleted that routine because I don't want it to go off at 4 a.m. And I don't really have any routines set up. I'm not really a fan of them. So see everyone next month. Hello, everyone. I'm Lucy, and welcome to another episode of All Things Lady A for the Unmute Presents podcast series. I hope that you all had a great holiday season, but now it's time to get back into the routine of things. So speaking of routines, this time we will be talking about using routines on your Lady A devices. So a routine is kind of a group of actions that you want your Lady A device to do for you at a specific time, such as maybe listening to the weather and news when you first wake up, or at any time you want her to give that to you. And sometimes when you just ask her for the news or weather, she will ask you if you want to set up a routine for things like this, and she will do it for you. But most generally, you will need to use the Alexa app on your smart device. You need to use that app on your smart device to do this. So there are all kinds of routines that you can set up, and I'm going to attempt to show you how to set up a routine. And I say attempt because I have found that this app, the Lady A app on your smart device, is not always very accessible or cooperative when I try to use it. But we'll see how this goes. So you will open up the Amazon Alexa app on your smart device, and at the bottom of the screen, there are 3 tabs. So let's see if we can find out here what those are. Okay, let's see. We have Home.
Selected. Home. Tab. 1 of 3. Devices. Tab. 2 of 3.
And the one in the middle. Okay, Home is on the left. Devices is in the middle.
More. Tab. 3 of 3.
More is on the far right. So you will double tap on the More tab on the far right-hand corner. So let's do that now.
Selected. More. Tab. 3 of 3.
Okay, so that one's selected. And then you will want to find routines on the screen. And it is about in the middle of the screen on the left-hand side. So you will double tap on that. And you can either start at the top of the screen and flick to the right, or you can just try to find it with your finger. Well, let's start at
10:25 a.m. More.
At the top of the screen where it says More.
Cap L.
Oop, I don't know why it said that.
Quick Add button.
Quick Add.
Music and More.
Music and More.
Communicate.
Communicate.
List and Notes. Reminders. Routines.
Okay, so we find routines, and we're going to double tap on that.
Routines.
All right. So you can customize your own routine by selecting Add New, or there are tons of them already created. So first, let's take a look at the different categories they already have created. So, okay, let's flick around here.
Routines. Routines.
Okay.
10, 20, back. Back, button.
Okay, you got your back button.
Add new, button.
Okay, there's add new. Well, we're going to skip over that for now.
Routines, heading. Selected, gallery. Your routines.
If you already have routines created, it will show you those. I don't believe I do, so we're not going to bother with that.
Activity. Featured categories. View all, button.
Featured categories, view all. Well, here's a few of them.
Morning, button.
Morning routine.
Health and wellness, button. Family, button. Button. Family, button. Entertainment, button. News, button. Home automation, button. Explore more routines.
Okay, home automation would be like if you have smart devices linked to your Lady A, such as lights or anything like that, it will turn them on or off automatically if you create such a routine. Let's see.
Routine essentials. Explore more routines. Routine essentials. Simplify your day with these popular routines. View popular routines, button, image.
Let's view popular routines.
View popular routines. Weather after alarm. Alexa will tell you a weather when you dismiss your alarm. Button. Start my day. Alexa will tell you news, traffic, and more. Button. Good night. Alexa wishes good night, turns off lights and plays sleep sounds when you say good night. Button. Sunset lights. Alexa will turn your lights on every day as the sun goes down. Button. Morning shine. When you dismiss an alarm, Alexa will turn on lights, adjust volume, provide weather, and play a song. Button. Morning shower. Alexa will tell you the weather and play your favorite radio station when Alexa detects water running for 2 minutes.
Oh
Button.
my goodness.
Morning briefing. Alexa will wish you good morning and more when people are detected. Button. Tap or say Alexa, button. Home, tab, 1 of 3.
Okay, so yeah, they have all kinds of things.
Tap or
all right, let's see.
Good start. Weather after alarm. Routine essentials. Routines. Head. Routine. Weather after alarm. Alexa will tell you a weather when you dismiss your alarm. Button.
All right, let's see if we can, create this one here.
Routine essentials.
After your alarm goes off, if you have an alarm set through your Lady A.
Weather after alarm. Alexa will tell you a weather when you dismiss your alarm. Button.
It will tell you the weather. Okay, let's see.
Weather after alarm. Alexa will tell you a weather and 9 a.m. Button.
No, we don't want 9 a.m.
Alexa will.
Let's see.
9 a.m. Button. Set condition. 4 a.m. Button.
Oh, no.
9 a.m. Button.
Oh, goodness. Let's see.
Frequency. Heading. 9 a.m. 4 a.m. Active time. Heading. 4 a.m. Button. 55%.
Whoops.
60%.
Sorry.
Active. 4 a.m. Button. 4 a.m.
Oh, I don't want it to go off at 4 a.m., do I? No.
4 o'clock. Picker item. Adjustable.
Okay.
4 of 12.
Let's see.
3 o'clock. 3 of 12. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 6 of 12.
Okay, let's say 6 a.m.
00 minutes. Picker item. Adjustable. a.m. Picker item. Adjustable. 9 a.m. Button.
Well, I don't know what that 9 a.m. is all about. I thought it would...
Frequency. Heading. How often routine will run when events occur? Selected. Every time. Routine always runs when events occur.
Okay.
Every time. Checked. Suppress for. Routine will wait before running again. Suppress for. Unchecked. Reset. Button. Tap or say Alexa. Button. Reset. Button.
All right, reset.
Reset.
Okay.
Suppress for. Routine will wait before running again. Suppress for. Unchecked. Suppress. Every time. Selected. Every time. Routine always run. Every time. Suppress. Suppress. Tap or say Alexa. Home. Tab.
Let's
1 of
see.
3. Tap. Suppress. Every time. Selected. How often routine will run when event. Frequency. 12 a.m. Button. a.m. Picker item. Adjustable. 100 minutes. Picker item. 12 o'clock. Picker item. Adjustable.
Oh dear,
12
it
of 12.
didn't set it.
12 a.m. Button.
I'll see.
Active time. Heading.
All right, let's
12
see.
a.m. Button. 12 o'clock. Picker item. Adjustable.
All right,
12 of
let's
12.
see.
1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 6 of 12. Minutes. 00 minutes. Adjust. 6 o'clock. 00 minute. a.m. Picker up. 12 a.m. Button. Frequency. Heading. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 4. 2. 1. 2. 12 a.m. Button. 0.
Perhaps I don't know what I'm doing.
Delete. Home. Tab. 1 of. Delete. 0. Delete. 0. Active time. Heading. 12 o'clock. 1 minute. a.m. Picker item. Adjustable. 1 of 2. 12 a.m. Button. Frequency. Heading. 1. Frequency. Heading.
All right, well,
0.
I
Back. Button.
will go back here
Tap to go back.
because I
Button.
don't know what I'm doing here. Let's
Say a random phrase from Good Morning. Say a random phrase from Good Morning selected. Checked.
Okay, so if I say good morning, that's going to activate that.
Say a random phrase. Reorder action 2. Report weather. Report weather selected. Check. Report weather. Add an action. Button.
I could add to this if I wanted it to. Let's see.
Add new.
Let's add.
Calling. Audible. Button. Calendar. Button. Audible. Announcement. Button. Alexa says. Button. Smart home. Button. Custom for more actions. Type in what you would ask Alexa to do. Button. Add new. Heading.
Let's see.
Custom. Smart. Alexa. Announcement. Audible. Calendar. Calling. Date and time. Button. Delivery updates. Button. Date and time. Button.
Oh, let's say date and time.
Date and time. Time. Tap or say Alexa. Button. Time. Button. Tap or say home. Tap devices. Home.
Let's
Tap
see.
time. Date and time. Back. Button. Back. Button.
Okay, how do I save this?
Devices. Tab. 2 of 3. Date. Button.
Oh, this is weird.
Date and time. Head. Back. Button.
Let's go back.
Back.
Sorry. I should have.
Back. Button. Audible. Button. Back. Button.
Let's go back
Back.
again.
Tap to go back. Button. Routines. Heading. Weather after alarm rename. Button.
Weather after alarm. Okay.
When.
When?
Change. Link. Any alarm is dismissed. Every day.
It's
Button.
dismissed. Every day.
Between 4 a.m. Button. And 9 a.m. Button. Alexa will. Reorder action 1. Say a random phrase from Good Morning. Say a random phrase from Good Morning selected. Say a random phrase from Good Morning. Reorder action 2. Report weather. Report weather selected. Check. Report weather. Add an action. Button. Hear Alexa from the device you speak to. Button. Save. Button.
All right, we're going to save this.
Save. Dim. Routines.
All
Your
right.
view popular routines. Button. Image.
So we have created a routine. I hope you could follow that. Anyway, I don't really use them a lot. I know some people do. And they are quite popular and fun. You can create entertainment routines. They're just all kinds of different ones, like we heard at the beginning of this, that you can choose from. So let's
View popular routines.
Let's
Button.
see. Let's view popular
View popular routines.
again.
Morning shine when you dismiss an alarm. Alexa will turn on lights. Adjust volume. Morning shower. Alexa will. Morning briefing. Alexa. Tap or say Alexa. Home. Tab. 1
Let's
of 3.
see.
10. 30. Tap to go back. Button.
Let's
Tap
do
to go
the
back.
entertainment routines.
Back. Entertainment. Button.
All right, let's just see what
Entertainment.
they have for entertainment.
Historical events of the day. History happens every day. Alexa will tell you a day in history facts every morning. Button.
Ah,
Cough fart. Alexa will play a random fart sound when coughing is detected. Button. Pokemon of the day. Learn about the Pokemon of the day. Button. Play question of the day. Alexa will quiz you on new trivia questions from arts and entertainment to literature and science. Button. NPR Morning Radio. Alexa will start your morning with your local NPR station. Button.
there we go.
Cuckoo clock. Alexa will tell you the time every 30 minutes between 7:15 a.m. and 8:45 a.m. local time. Morning music. Kickstart your day with morning tunes. Button.
Ah,
Burp sound. Alexa will play a random burp sound when it detects motion.
oh
Button.
dear.
Show more. Link.
Okay, let's see.
Burp sound. More. And play. Cough fart. Alexa. Historical events of the day. History happens every day. I'm home. Alexa can welcome you home with the day's news and relaxing music. Button. Entertainment.
Let's see.
I'm home. Historical event. Cough fart. Pokemon of the day. Learn about the Pokemon of the day. Play question of the day. Alexa will quiz you. NPR Morning Radio. Alexa will start your morning with your local
Let's
NPR
say
station.
NPR. Let's see.
NPR Morning Radio. Alexa will start your morning. Alexa will. Reorder action 1. Tell Alexa will 7:05 at weekdays. Button. Change. Link. When it's NPR Morning Radio rename. Button.
Okay.
When it's change. Link. Weekdays. Button.
Weekdays. Okay, we'll leave it there. You could add your weekends to that if you wanted.
At 7:05 a.m. Button.
At 7:05 a.m. I don't know why. But well, we'll leave it there.
Alexa will. Reorder action 1. Tell current date. Tell current date. Selected. Tell current date. Reorder action 2. Play my NPR station. Play my NPR station selected. Play my NPR station. Add an action. Button.
You could add something to this if you wanted.
Hear Alexa from the second echo dot. Button. Save. Button.
All right, and we can save that.
Save. Dim. Routines. Your view
Okay.
popular routines. Space. Button. Image.
So you won't really know whether these things actually happen to me, but hopefully they will, because hopefully I have done these right. So, all right, well, that is going to be it for today, and I hope you actually got something out of this demonstration and can figure out how to use it. So I don't know yet what I'll be doing for next time, but I'm sure I'll think of something. And in the meantime, everybody have fun with your Lady A devices. If you have any feedback that you want to send me, you can send it to feedback@unmute.show. Goodbye, everyone.